In a world where time is the most precious commodity and appearances matter more than ever, the dry cleaning industry stands as a beacon of convenience and sophistication. Embarking on the journey of starting your own dry cleaning business is akin to stepping into a realm where every garment tells a story, and every stain is a challenge waiting to be conquered. From the crisp suits of executives to the delicate dresses of brides, your business will become the custodian of people's most cherished garments, entrusted with the task of restoring them to their former glory. But beyond the allure of fashion and elegance lies a complex tapestry of logistics, technology, and customer service. To embark on this odyssey successfully, one must navigate through a myriad of considerations and meticulously craft a roadmap for success. The first step in this exhilarating venture is conducting comprehensive market research. Understanding the dynamics of the local market is crucial for identifying the demand for dry cleaning services, gauging the competition, and discerning the preferences of potential customers. Is your target demographic primarily corporate professionals seeking convenience, or do you cater to families in need of specialized garment care? Analyzing the socio-economic landscape of your chosen location will provide invaluable insights into tailoring your services to meet the specific needs of your clientele. Armed with insights garnered from your market research, the next crucial aspect is crafting a solid business plan. This blueprint serves as the foundation upon which your dry cleaning empire will be built, outlining everything from your service offerings and pricing strategies to marketing tactics and financial projections. A well-articulated business plan not only instills confidence in potential investors and lenders but also serves as a roadmap for navigating the myriad challenges that lie ahead. It's the compass that will guide you through the turbulent waters of entrepreneurship, ensuring that you stay true to your vision while adapting to the ever-evolving demands of the market. With the groundwork laid, the next step is securing the necessary funding to turn your vision into reality. Whether it's through personal savings, bank loans, or investments from venture capitalists, adequate capital is essential for acquiring equipment, leasing a suitable location, hiring staff, and covering operating expenses until the business becomes profitable. Presenting a compelling case to potential investors requires not only a robust business plan but also a clear articulation of your unique value proposition and competitive advantage. What sets your dry cleaning business apart from the myriad others vying for the attention of customers? Whether it's state-of-the-art technology, eco-friendly practices, or exceptional customer service, highlighting your unique selling points is paramount in securing the funding needed to launch your venture. With the financial pieces falling into place, attention must turn to the logistical aspects of setting up your dry cleaning business. Finding the perfect location is crucial, as convenience and accessibility are key factors that influence consumer behavior in this industry. Ideally, your establishment should be situated in a high-traffic area with ample parking and visibility. Additionally, proximity to residential neighborhoods, corporate offices, or shopping centers can significantly enhance foot traffic and drive business growth. Once the location is secured, outfitting your facility with the necessary equipment and infrastructure becomes the next priority. From industrial-grade washing machines and dryers to steam presses and garment racks, investing in quality equipment is essential for delivering superior results and maintaining operational efficiency. No dry cleaning business can thrive without a team of dedicated and skilled professionals at its helm. Hiring experienced dry cleaning technicians, customer service representatives, and administrative staff is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and delivering exceptional service to your clientele. Look for individuals who not only possess the requisite technical skills but also embody your brand values and are passionate about exceeding customer expectations. Training and ongoing development programs can further hone their skills and foster a culture of excellence within your organization. Additionally, fostering a positive work environment characterized by open communication, mutual respect, and opportunities for growth is essential for attracting and retaining top talent in a competitive industry landscape. In the digital age, establishing a robust online presence is indispensable for reaching and engaging with customers. Building a user-friendly website that showcases your services, pricing, and contact information is essential for attracting potential clients and driving conversions. Embracing social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can further amplify your reach and enable you to connect with customers on a more personal level. Leveraging online marketing tactics such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, and email campaigns can help raise awareness of your brand and drive traffic to your website. Additionally, soliciting feedback from customers through online reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights into areas for improvement and help foster trust and credibility within the community. As your dry cleaning business begins to gain traction and build a loyal customer base, it's essential to continually assess and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Monitoring key performance indicators such as customer satisfaction, retention rates, and revenue growth can provide valuable insights into the health of your business and identify areas for optimization. Embracing innovation and staying abreast of industry trends can help you remain competitive in an ever-evolving landscape. Whether it's implementing eco-friendly practices, offering mobile pickup and delivery services, or investing in cutting-edge garment care technology, staying ahead of the curve is essential for sustaining long-term success. In conclusion, embarking on the journey of starting a dry cleaning business is a thrilling endeavor that requires careful planning, strategic execution, and unwavering dedication. By conducting thorough market research, crafting a solid business plan, securing adequate funding, and focusing on logistics, staffing, and marketing, you can lay the groundwork for a successful venture. However, success in this industry ultimately hinges on delivering exceptional service, exceeding customer expectations, and continuously innovating to stay ahead of the competition. With passion, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence, you can build a thriving dry cleaning business that not only meets the needs of your clientele but also becomes an indispensable part of the community.